Step into the world of organized laundry with the Foldable Laundry Storage Basket, the innovative solution that combines functionality with space-saving convenience. This isn't just a laundry basket, it's the unsung hero of your laundry routine, ready to unfold and streamline your clothes sorting process with the efficiency of a laundry room organizer. Crafted with more practicality than a multi-tool, the Foldable Laundry Storage Basket is set to make your laundry adventures as seamless as a well-choreographed dance. Think of it as your laundry assistant, always there when you need to collect clothes or create extra storage space, and just as easily disappearing into the background when not in use. And let's talk about versatility. This storage basket isn't just for dirty laundry. It's the space-saving solution for your clean clothes, linens, or any items that need a temporary home before finding their place in your closet. It's like having a laundry organizer that adapts to your needs. No more dealing with scattered clothes or the inconvenience of a fixed laundry basket taking up valuable floor space. What makes this foldable wonder stand out? It's not just about folding. It's about adding a touch of innovation to your laundry routine. No more sacrificing floor space or dealing with the limitations of a fixed laundry basket. The Foldable Laundry Storage Basket is here to make every sorting session a breeze, folding neatly into a compact size when not in use. It's like having a laundry basket that understands the art of practicality. This storage basket is also a genius at conserving space. The laundry organization virtuoso is the one who disappears into your closet, under the bed, or in a corner, always ready to unfold when your laundry needs a temporary home in a world where every inch counts. It keeps your area clutter-free without sacrificing usability, much like having a personal laundry organization assistant. But there's still more. Your key to convenient transportation is also the Foldable Laundry Storage Basket. You don't have to struggle with a heavy basket to carry your laundry from room to room or even to the laundromat thanks to its frequently sturdy handles. It makes doing laundry easier and more efficient, much like having a portable laundry assistant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button to show some love, and I will see you in the next one.